Beginning the bulletin with the breaking news that is coming in. The bail plea of the juvenile accused in the Delhi hit and run case has been rejected. The teen has been handed over to the juvenile justice officer as of now. There was a bail application that was moved. That bail application has been rejected. These are the new photographs that have come in of the teen walking away along with other occupants of the car after the accident. Let's quickly go across to my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu, who is joining us from the National Capital for more on this. Kamal, what are the reasons that have been given for rejection of the bail?
This is obviously the evidence which was given by the cops in the court, and remember, the juvenile was still at large. He was apprehended by the cops and produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. Now, what is really important is the age factor. He has just turned 18. He was 17 at the time of crime, but he's turned 18. He's obviously been taken to Juvenile Justice Board for a day. He's to be produced in the court tomorrow as well. But according to the new JJ Act, what is going to be important is once the juvenile has turned from 16 onwards, that's when the court will really decide whether what is his mental age. Now, there is obviously a lot of grey area as far as a lot of child experts are concerned who say that perhaps this is not the right way to go about it. But yes, there will be a lot of duress, a lot of pressure as far as the court itself is concerned, as far as the cops itself are concerned. Remember, the driver has already got a bail. The father is also behind the bars at least for 24 hours.
Okay.
So yes, we'll really have to wait for the twist and turns.
Kamal,
in this particular
in
case.
fact, I'm just stopping you there. We are getting in news that the father of this accused, Manoj Agarwal, has been granted bail on a bail bond of 1 lakh rupees. So on one side, the driver, the teen driver who was driving this car, his bail application has been rejected. His father, who was also booked by the Delhi police, and in an unprecedented move under Section 109, they have booked the father. He has been granted bail on a bail bond of 1 lakh rupees. Kamal, this also brings out to the fact that there needs to be stringent laws, and also the family members need to be booked if they allow their children to take the cars out.
Well, definitely. There is always this case about a cover-up when a parent really knows the fact about the children, when the child itself himself is hiding with the help of the parent. Now, all these are obviously areas which need to be investigated. But Manoj Agarwal himself was not driving the car. It was his teen son who was driving the car, which is why it becomes even more important. The parent could have easily come and confessed, but that's not really happened. This is obviously where law becomes extremely serious in a certain case, and that is why even though the bail has been granted in the father's case, it's been rejected in the case of the son. He will be produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. They will decide his mental state, and perhaps will also decide the culpability. Now, that is going to be a key question, and we really have to see the twists and turns in this particular case.
Kamal, stay on with me. Let me just quickly go across to our colleague from Aaj Tak, Anuj Mishra, who is in fact joining us with the more details as far as the father is concerned. Anuj, 1 लाख के बेल बॉन्ड पर बेल दे दी गई है मनोज अग्रवाल को. क्या दलीलें दी गई थी उनकी तरफ से? Okay, we seem to have lost that line. There were certain reports that were suggesting, in fact, Kamal, if I may come back to you, there were certain reports that were suggesting that the father had pleaded that he repeatedly stopped his son from driving, and he was not aware on that night that his son has taken the car out.
Well, that's the plea he's made in the court. But remember, also what is going to be extremely important is he hiding any sort of facts? But prima facie, it seems that court has accepted that argument, and that is why a bail plea. The important part is he was not driving the car. The second part was where he said he was completely unaware that the son had taken away the car keys or even taken the car. This is where the negligence part really comes in. Was the teen really somebody who had actually just taken away the car keys, not informed? There is obviously in many houses where children do try to learn. This is obviously not in good light or in any good terms. This is how it's going to be seen in a very different light, even as the child's own part is concerned. And that is why even though the father's got bail, we'll really have to see how the court is going to be treating, or the board is going to be treating, the case of the child himself.
Kamal, stay on with me. Anuj is on the phone line with us. Anuj, अगर आप हमें बता सकें कि ये जो मनोज अग्रवाल हैं, इस लड़के के पिता, उन्होंने क्या दलील रखी थी कोर्ट के सामने उनको बेल दी गई है?
ये देखिए, डिफेंस की तरफ से तमाम तरीके की दलील दी गई। डिफेंस का साफ तौर पे यही कहना था कि पहले तो ये जो मामला कन्वर्ट हुआ 304A से 304, ये पहला ऐसा मामला था जिसमें इस तरीके की चीजें हुई। साथ ही साथ डिफेंस का साफ तौर पे यही कहना था कि अगर चाबी जो है घर पर रखी हुई है और बेटा अगर लेके चला जाता तो इसमें फादर की कहाँ गलती बनती है। इस तरीके की तमाम दलीलें पेश की गई, जिसके बाद कोर्ट ने मनोज अग्रवाल को 1 लाख के पर्सनल बॉन्ड पर फिलहाल जमानत दे दी है। लेकिन जिस तरीके से कल साफ तौर पर पुलिस का ये कहना था कि जुवेनाइल जो उनका बेटा है वो नहीं मिल रहा है, साथ में पिता और बेटे को सामने बैठा के कन्फ्रंट कराना है, जिसके बाद 1 दिन की पीसी रिमांड भी दी गई थी मनोज अग्रवाल को। तो आज उन बेटों को कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया गया, चूंकि कोर्ट में पेश किया गया, जिस वजह से एक कानूनी नियम बनता है कि इस तरीके से उनके बेटे को रिलीज नहीं किया जाएगा। इसी वजह से उन्हें जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड के मेंबर के पास आज पेश किया गया और उम्मीद यही है कि 1 दिन उन्हें वहां पे रहना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद उसके बेटे को कल जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड के सामने पेश किया गया। लेकिन फिलहाल मनोज अग्रवाल को बेल जो है वो मिल गई है। जी,
Thank you so much, Anuj, for bringing us all these details. Also, thanks to my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu for joining us with a perspective on this story. So, the latest is that on one hand, the juvenile's bail plea has been rejected. On the other, the father of this teen has been given bail on a bail bond of 1 lakh rupee.